Hey guys, Owen here from Maclin Ford, here to show you this iconic silver metallic 2020 Ford F-150. This F-150 is very well maintained. It is a local Alberta vehicle and it has absolutely zero accidents. This F-150 also has a fully sprayed bed liner. It comes in the XLT trim with a 300A equipment group, which is powered by a 5-liter V8 engine. This truck has a lot of cool features. It has Bluetooth, auto start stop, it has cruise control, pro trailer backup assist, it has remote start, and a reverse camera with pre-collision assist. It also has a full cloth interior with back seats that could be folded up for even more storage. Come on down to Maclin Ford to see more about this F-150. Thank you very much for watching this video and have a good day.